Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I will be showing you how I cook my leftover ham. So I am not sure on the exact name of the recipe, but this is how I do it. So I am using a butter instead of oil. So I added some chopped onion and I'll just wait until the onion will turn brown, then I'll put the ham. So I added 4 pieces of eggs, and this is the type of cheese that I will be using. So I'll put some cheese on top of it. Then I'm getting ready to bake this one on 350 for 30 to 35 minutes.